This video is a walkthrough of the analysis that Able Constructions has conducted in regards to the project document our team has received on the shopping mall earthworks project. We will start off by briefly going through the construction process that the team has designed, including site layouts and construction equipment deployment. We will then end by running through our volume, production, and cost estimation procedures. This video is only a brief overview of our project proposal. For more details, please refer to our project proposal document submitted along with this video. Upon receiving the project description, our team compared different equipments and eventually decided on this equipment combination and construction process that we believe would be the most productive and most cost efficient, using excavators, wheel loaders, trucks, compactors, and graders. An excavator will be operating in between grid lines 44 to 57 and E to Z prime, designated to Able Construction as per the project scope. This drawing is created for better illustration of the process. Dump trucks will drive into the site and follow the excavator's progress. As the trucks are filled, they carry the soil to the dump site for disposal, either through the toll highway or the local roads, depending on truck restrictions at the time. Upon the end of this cycle, the fresh soils will no longer be sent to the dump site, but instead be stored at a stockpile on site as fill later on. Contaminated soil at the bottom of the site will be treated separately from the clean soil and will not be used as fill later on in the construction, as illustrated here in Figure 4. In the meantime, on the subcontractor side, 3 wheel loaders are deployed to scoop soil on that side of the site into trucks that will haul the soil away for dump. Upon completion of excavation, wheel loaders and trucks will be deployed to load and haul replacement soils back to the stockpile on site. Wheel loaders will then load the mixed soils onto trucks that will fill the excavated contamination zone until it is level at roughly 1285.45 meters elevation. A compactor is then brought in to compact the soil, while a grader grades the soil down to the final 1285.3 meter elevation and ready for foundation construction. It is assumed that the foundation work will continue for 60 days to complete, after which the wheel loaders and trucks will work together again to haul the remaining soil from stockpile to excavation and complete the fill. Finally, the compactor comes in to compact the newly filled soil, at which Able Construction's scope of work is complete. This drawing shows the overall site layout with the site office, temporary roads, and stockpile areas labeled. A fence rail has also been implemented to prevent fall injuries around the open excavation. The various tabs in this spreadsheet includes all calculations involved with analyzing the cut and fill volumes, the production, and the costs of the project. This drawing illustrates the estimated elevations of the site from extending contour lines from outside the excavation through to the other side where the same elevation meets. The team then estimates the cut volume of each grid based on these elevations. Fill volumes are estimated by examining the foundation plans and added with the extra volume created by the contaminated fill removal. Productivity under different equipment scenarios were calculated and compared to find the optimal choice of equipment. Based on our calculations, the team decided to rent 42 truck Cs, purchase 2 new wheel loaders, purchase 1 new grader, and deploy from our own fleet 1 wheel loader, 1 excavator, and 1 compactor. Detailed cut and fill procedures were established and productivity rates estimated, totaling to approximately 320 working days, including 60 of which is attributed to foundation work completed by external contractors. Based on these loadouts and production rates, we reached a final equipment and stockpile rental cost of approximately $25 million. Another $102 million was estimated solely for the soil dump cost, which then totals the final estimation to around $128 million. For more details on the construction process and estimations, please refer to our project proposal document. Thank you for listening, and thank you for considering Able Constructions.